Hello, this is Alexander Izar, and today I want to share with you how to change the power steering fluid on the W203 S203 C200CDI OM611 engine. So basically what we've got here is the following. This is the recipient where we're gonna pour the fluid. Down here we have the return line, which goes back to that one, and over there we have, on this side, we have the high pressure line, which is being fed downstream to the power steering pump and then downwards into the engine bay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mess with this one, and basically I'm gonna take this screw off, and then I'm gonna drain the remains into this can, and I'm gonna put what's it called, another hose to drain everything into this recipient over here, whilst I do left and right motion of the steering wheel to put everything into motion. So one more time, taking this off, drain the remains off, and then afterwards I will pour fluid into and hit the steering wheel left to right, and see what is going to be pushed into this can over here. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna try and do something about the way of how I film it. What you need to consider is that this Vico fluid has the approval multiple manufacturers, from which I care about this one, Mercedes Benz 345. This is green fluid, green power steering fluid. This is how the installation has been configured. The return line, which goes to the expansion tank, has been blocked off with a metal piece. Over here we have the drain tank, and this is the return line which lets the fluid go into the tank. As you can see, we have close to 1 liter, and what we do is basically left to right, and this is it. And then we start adding the new fluid. And this concludes the video. Engine is clean, working real nice. The belt is on. Fluid level performed. Steering wheel fluid level performed. What can I say? So it's very easy to change the power steering fluid. You basically undo this hose over here, this one. You put this one, drain it in a jerry can, and then plug it. Then get another hose which will get into another jerry can, or in the same jerry can. But this one is plugged, and all the fluid will push out into the jerry can, and you have to fill it in. You have I don't know why it's not focalizing. Anyway, you have a 25 minimum volume of fluid, 25 degrees, and then a maximum, and then a minimum for 80 degrees after you drive the car a little, and then a maximum. The fluid level is performed, and it's in spec MB345 G11 cooling fluid. We'll have to top it a bit more, but that's okay for now. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.